Okay, girls, so today we're doing chapter 8.6, which is called number laws and variables. So I'm not going to start by giving you the name of the law because I reckon that is more important that you understand. And I know that I want you to recognize that you already know this. And then we're going to give you the name of the law, just as information, because to make more like formal your knowledge and more sophisticated your knowledge of maths as you go and progressing through your education in school. It's important that you start incorporating these terms. But if you don't, but the most important thing is not that you learn the terms, but do you understand the concepts. So let's jump into it and let's talk, see what I'm talking about. So let's say that I have 3 plus 2, and then I have 2 plus 3. My question for you girls is it 3 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 3? And I'm hoping that you're saying, yes, it is. So these are equal. Okay, good. Because this is equal, is the same in numbers, then it also must be equal when we're using pronumerals. So if I'm saying x plus y, is it equal to y plus 3? Plus x? So I'm hoping that you're saying yes, it is. Wonderful. Okay, let's talk about subtraction. So if I say, let's say if I say 3 take away 2, is it the same to 2 take away 3? I hope that you're saying no, it's not the same, because 3 take away 2 will be equal to 1, whereas 2 take away 3 is equal to -1. So no, in this case, it's not. And if it's not true in numbers, it's not going to be true with variables either. So x take away y and y take away x are not the same. Wonderful. Let's talk about multiplication. So if I have 2 times 3, is it equal to 3 times 2? So I'm hoping that you're saying yes, because 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 2 is 6. It's one of the reasons why when we're learning our timetables, we just have to learn half of them. So yes, they are the same. So if they're the same then with numbers, they're also going to be the same with pronumerals. So xy is going to be equal to yx. I'm hoping that you're doing in your notes exactly the same table that I'm doing here. Okay, let's talk about division. So is it 2 divided by 3 the same as 3 divided by 2? I hope you're saying no, it's not the same, because if we write it in fractions, 2 divided by 3 is 2/3, whereas 3 divided by 2 is 1 1/2. Or if we write this one in decimals, will be 1 5/10. So no, they're not the same. So if they're not true with numbers, they're not going to be true with pronumerals either. So x divided by y is not the same as y divided by x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going just to highlight across here, just to say the width is not going to be true with subtraction, and it's not going to be true with division. But it is true with addition multiplication. And the law that I'm talking about is called commutative law. Commutative law. And commutative law refers that the order in which you operate is not going to affect. So you can change it. Commutative means that you can change the order. So I can say 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3 and I'll get the same answer. Or x plus y and y plus x and I'll get the same answer, the same when I'm doing multiplication. So this is the first law that we're going to talk about today.